Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10. Lordship.
Who's the other side?
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
Yes, what is your prayer, sir?
Lordship, the matter may come up after 2 weeks.
This 9 and 10, these are connected?
Connected.
Connected, yes, Your Lordship. Then, if that be, let it come up in the month of February, Your Lordship.
Okay, on prayer of the petitioner, not object to the respondents, state respondents. This is matter after 3 weeks.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
Well, with my Lord's permission, may I mention item number 17? I have the consent of the other side. My Lord, may take this matter after the vacation. 1-7.
Yes.
Lordship, I appear on behalf of respondent number 2. No objections.
Okay, 17. The petitioner. A list after winter vacation. Yes.
My Lord, an interim which will be continued.
This just in the interim order, you just list with the main case. Interim order, if any past earlier, shall continue until further order instead of.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, item number 15, Your Lordship. This matter pertains to the nomenclature of the, with regards to the nomenclature.
Yes.
Similar.
Your Lordship, let it come after vacation, Your Lordship, because other matter has to be decided first, Your Lordship.
Try to find out this thing. See, like that that nomenclature.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Do some research and just see how, where from that post came, how it originated. Okay, this also on prayer of the parties list after vacation, intervention, item 15. Yes.
Highly
Your
obliged.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, kindly let this matter come after vacation, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
On prayer of petition, not object to anything, list after 3 weeks. At least after intervention. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship. Lordship, I am praying for 2 weeks' time here, Lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondent.
Okay. On prayer, madam, of the petition, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
Yes.
The conducting counsel have some personal difficulties.
I'm for the respondent.
So it will.
Well, let it come next week because there is a interim order in favor of them. For maintenance was granted to me. I'm the wife, my lord. Because of the mistake of the trial court, some observation was made by the trial court that
We'll
is
leave
why
it
stay
till
was
next
granted. Next week. Next week.
After 1 week, yes. On
After
prayer of
1
the
week.
petition, after 1 week. Yes. 18. Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 14 of the hearing list, my lord.
Yes.
This may be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
What is
I
this
wanted
matter
to try and finish this matter, criminal case, my lord, where a CR case was transferred by the court of CGM to Bihar. The investigation was transferred. The short issue, it's my fault, my lord, I did not have the time to prepare it. Either after 2 weeks, my lord.
See, Mr. Sen, the problem is that if we hear after 2 weeks,
Lordship.
there may not be much time for the court to pass.
I understand.
So that is
I'll leave it up to you,
problem
lordship.
for
Or even if next week is convenient, I'll try to finish it next week, my lord.
It is more or less same.
The same.
Well, then it may come up after the holidays, my lord.
Yes, any
No
problem with
objection.
that? So that is then just on the prayer of the petition, list after interpretation. Yes.
I'll oblige.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 for respondent number 2 and 3. Conducting have some personal difficulties.
Who is for the petition? Yes.
No objection.
So you'll go after vacation?
Yes.
16 on the prayer of list after interpretation. Yes.
Oblige.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the sole respondent, Your Lordship. It's a joint request, Your Lordship. Here also, Your Lordship, the order has been passed by the Assistant Judge District Council Court, Your Lordship.
No, but then whether the same issue
Your Lordship, it's a different issue, but the order
See,
has been
that in
passed.
the other case, the maintainability,
Yes,
or
Your
rather
Lordship.
the jurisdiction of the court was challenged over.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that is what
They come after vacation, Your Lordship.
joint payment with the parties. List of provisions. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 7. And for respondent 2 and 3, Your Lordship. 7 and 8 are connected matters, Your Lordship.
I have no objection. Let's go after vacation. There is no urgency.
So joint payment with the list of package. Yes. Yes.
Daily costless.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship.
Item 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, it's a revision matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side?
We have already informed him, Your Lordship.
You have informed. It doesn't mean that they should not appear before the court. If you can settle everything outside, then what is the purpose of this court sitting? Yes. What is your prayer?
Praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Item 4, 2 weeks on the prayer of the petition. Yes.
Your Lordship. Item number 1.
Yes. Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, this is having application 528 for causing of the FIR, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the section which implicated in this case, Lordship, is 77, 351, 2, and 329, 4, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, after I'm getting a notice, Lordship, from the police station, Lordship, after about 20 days left, Lordship, that I should have to be appeared before the police station. I appeared before the police station, give my statement, Lordship. After that, police informed me to submit all the my mobiles and all the things, Lordship. I've submitted in the police station. Now, my having a prayer in this case, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the incident occurred near about on 10 Lordship, 10/8/2025, near about 12:25 a.m. Lordship. At that time, Lordship, only having a reflection of the allegation on me at that Lordship, I record the video, Lordship, from the ventilation. And the same things, Lordship, she got an inform from the CCTV camera, which was kept there in the girls' hostel, Lordship. This is having a thing, Lordship. But at the same time, Lordship, after a few minutes, Lordship, she did a call.
Where is the FIR? Where is the FIR?
Lordship, the FIR is Lordship from page number 12 to 14, Lordship. In my petition, Lordship.
Where is the Vijayhar? What is the written FIR? What is this is the format, isn't it? Under 154.
Yes, sir. I'm getting this only have a certified copy from the court, Lordship.
There is no written Vijayhar in this.
It's not there, Lordship.
Yes.
They've not annexed.
Yes, Lordship.
At least they have not annexed.
Yes,
Cannot say that it's not there.
Yes, they've not annexed it, Lordship.
No, Lordship. But when I applied for a certified copy, this much I get, Lordship, from the court, Lordship.
See, whatever is reflected there is very difficult to read, mister. That is the problem.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may I have the permission, Lordship? Can I read, Lordship?
We'll need a copy of the FIR, my lord.
Just a minute.
Lordship.
See, allegation appears to be very serious against you.
Yes.
Lordship, I need 2 minutes to submit myself, Lordship, in this case.
Yes,
Only 2 minutes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, whatever, Lordship, only things it comes out that I taken a personal video of that very lady, Lordship, and at the time of 12:25 a.m., Lordship. Now, Lordship, I am coming to the point, Lordship. It is reflected, and I'm having this FIR and also that, Lordship. She is a very good friend of mine, of my girlfriend also, my own girlfriend, Lordship. She have a good friend with her, Lordship. She several times visited to my home, Lordship, and occasionally she stayed also in my room, Lordship. If I have any illicit intention, Lordship, then I will do in the same time. Here, Lordship, I am coming to
all those factors be considered here in 528?
No, Lordship, I am coming to the point,
limits
Lordship.
of jurisdiction, the limit of jurisdiction that the High Court has at this stage.
Yes, Lordship, I am coming to the point, Lordship.
Factual aspect, there is nothing. You cannot just you see, like, ask this court to determine these factual aspects. So it is useless, raising all those.
Lordship, Lordship, only having a thing is that nothing should be recovered from the police from my mobile also, and only having a finger of the CCTV camera that I stand there. Here only have a background of the story is that, Lordship. I inform the boyfriend of
Investigation is not complete, isn't it? Investigation.
But I am obeying, Lordship. I appeared before I deposit my mobile also there, Lordship, all things. Only the thing is that, Lordship, related to this case, Lordship, I'm getting a notice from there, Lordship.
We'll issue notice. We'll just see.
Yes, Lordship. I received the notice. I appeared before the police station also there, Lordship.
That's
On
all
page
right.
number 15.
We are issuing notice here. It's okay. We are issuing notice here. In this case, you take steps. Hard, Mr. Your name, please.
Yes.
Your name, please.
And Dubey, Lordship.
Yes, hard, Mr. N. Dubey, Learned Counsel. Are you a senior counsel or?
No, Lordship, it's a falsely, it's a wrong mistake, Lordship.
It's all right. Hard, so it's a Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice. Returnable in 3 weeks. MSNG Shilla Learned. PP, APS4.
Respondent number 1, Lordship.
Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Hearing.
Lordship, I have a obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Who is there in this case, Mr. Day?
Well, this is the case where my friend, Mr. Pal, was appearing regarding that NOCMA matters. They are challenging.
Last occasion also there was no appearance.
Yes, my lord. In this matter, they were supposed to file an affidavit where Justice Mittal, if I'm not mistaken, he has given a chance that you prove your bona fide by filing an affidavit that what blood lineage you have or not.
Okay.
Then my lord has also given an order.
Yes.
They
It
have
was,
not filed.
it was passed by the court of the Chief Justice, I think.
Yes, my lord.
Until that they have not complied.
They have not come.
Anyway, you see, we cannot decide anything on merit since they are not there. None appears for the petitioner. Mr. Day, Learned Counsel looking for the respondent number 7 present.
Only thing they have come before this honorable court because there was a land acquisition and the money is pending, my lord.
It appears that on the previous occasion also there was no appear. The order sheet reveals that. The order sheet reveals that on the previous occasion also there was no appearance on behalf of the petitioner. It appears your case is we are dismissed.
Lordship, my senior is on next, Lordship.
There should have been somebody here to mention, isn't it?
Lordship,
in the last occasion also there was no appearance for you.
Lordship, my deepest apologies, Lordship.
We cannot wait outside and see what the court is doing and thereafter enter court. You should not adopt those kind of things. That will be last thing to happen here.
Lordship, I tender my sincerest apology, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is still on next, Lordship.
So what is to be done?
Lordship, let the matter come after next week, Lordship.
Let go after vacation, my lord. Let go after vacation, my lord. Because again, it will come again, they will take time, my lord. Because if my lord may kindly produce the order sheet, my lord. The order sheet speaks volumes, my lord.
Have you filed the affidavit which was required to be filed?
Lordship, the affidavit was closed, Lordship. It was closed, Lordship.
It is closed?
Oh, it is closed now.
Okay, it is closed. Okay. One prayer of the petitioner. Not objected by the counsel respondent. List after vacation.
Highly obliged, Lordship. I tender my sincerest apology, Lordship.
See, this court is very sincere, I think. Yeah, the default on the part of the lawyer is unpardonable.
Lordship, I bow down, Lordship. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 5.
Here also again, who is the petitioner?
It's Peter Yobind.
There also no appearance. We'll dismiss this case. The last occasion also there was no.
Your Lordship, actually it's item 6. So sorry.
Yes.
So Your Lordship, this is regarding the work under the SPV, the diversion of the funds by the state government, by the SPV today state government department. So we, the petitioner herein, we are aggrieved by the diversion of funds from the SPB funds to the different department, like PWD, PHE, and some. But in this case, we are greatly aggrieved by the diversion of the funds from the SPB to the PWD.
What is SPV?
SPB is a special vehicle purpose. So this is
Special?
special vehicle purpose. This is this SPV.
What for? This fund is utilized for what purpose?
This fund is utilized for the purpose that is all those areas who have been affected by the Lafarge Umiam Umiam project. Yes, this is
Okay. That is in lieu of the work undertaken by those, I think, cement companies. And
Yes,
all
yes,
that.
cement, Lafarge cement company. So, so we had also received by the affidavit filed by the state in the.
What is that special purpose vehicle? It is for the purpose of procuring some vehicle, or
No, Lordship. Special purpose vehicle is a committee formed as per the judgment of the thing, whereby the Chief Secretary is heading the committee, Lordship.
Committee.
why it is called
This
special
committee
purpose
will
vehicle?
help develop the places around the places which are affected by the Lafarge construction. So what my friend's saying here is that all the money which are supposed to be used from the SPV are supposed to be used for the development, are supposed to be used for the development of this people. So basically, but
this affected area
Affected
by
areas.
by the project of this Lafarge.
so what my friend's saying right now is that the people are from that area are deprived of this
What for
money.
this vehicle is there? Special purpose vehicle means what?
My lord, so a special purpose vehicle is a committee. Basically, just a committee to.
It is not that vehicle which.
No, Lordship. It's a committee headed by the Chief Secretary, Lordship. This is for the which looks after the development of that area, affected areas, by this Lafarge mining. So what my friend is saying in this petition is that so this money has been deposited by Lafarge into this SPV for development of this area. So what my friend is saying is that some of the money is not gone to the pockets of the persons affected, but then it's going through the PWD.
Was it for the purpose of payment of compensation?
No, Lordship, it's for development of that area.
Why you saying that the pockets of?
My learned friend
My lord,
Hey, just we sit down. Just sit down.
I'll just explain a little bit that we are aggrieved. We are aggrieved by the diversion of the funds from the SPV funds to
Take your seat,
to the state government for implementation of the other scheme like the construction. So in this approach, in this SPV, as per the guideline that we have also annexed in our petition, in the
What is the guidelines?
I will just. Your Lordship.
My lord, you can see from page number 28 of my affidavit, Lordship.
Was it that it was that amount which was deposited by Lafarge in pursuant to the apex court order?
Lordship.
Yes, yes, but
This is that 55 crore.
Lordship.
So we are currently, this dispute here is with regard to that amount.
Yes, Lordship.
According to them, that you have diverted that amount.
Lordship. According to them, this money is being diverted to the PW department and hasn't been used for utilized for the development of that area.
Your Lordship, I a little bit handicapped because my learned friend is leading counsel in this case. So
Just let us try to understand. If you
yes,
take
yes.
time, we will give
So-
you time.
So
Just a minute, lad. Just hold on.
So in this case, Your Honor,
Just a minute. Just wait. What is that NPV?
My lord?
NPV is what NPV?
NPV.
No, it says the applicant shall deposit a sum of 55 crores towards 5 times of the normal NPV. What is NPV?
My lord,
What is net something value? Is it saying net property value or net something? Is it something like that?
My lord's reading from. My lord, SPV is a special purpose vehicle. NPV is. What is NPV?
PBI.
Is my lord reading from the annexure R1?
No, we are reading for the thing. That is, I think, the part of the judgment of the apex court. This is reflected in para 3, page 4 of the petition.
Page 4 of the petition. I have to seek instructions, lordship. I'm not aware of
It's okay, it's for the purpose of understanding. We do not know. Let us
My
see.
lord, my lord.
We do not know whether it will be materials or not. But then it's important to understand what the factual aspect is.
But then, if my lord may see, the main crux of the petition will be at page number 11, lordship.
1 minute, just.
My lord.
Yes, one of you can go on. Just. Is it page 11?
My lord.
Our prayer.
My lord, the crux of the matter would be at prayer number 3, page number 11. May I read, lordship?
Yes.
Mandamus shall not be issued directing the respondents number 2 to work out the project works by following a bottom-up planning and participatory approach in order to enable the active participation of the local villagers and Nongtrai in the restoration and improvement of the roads. And after hearing, so lordship, so basically the main crux of the matter is that he wants the villagers to participate in the tender and the construction of the road. So basically, they're challenging a tender for construction of the road and for black metaling of the road and for construction of the footpaths. This tender is supposed to be taken up by the class 1 contractors who know how to make the roads, know how to so on and so forth. So all these technical things. But then my friend here, he's feeling that he was not allowed to participate. The villagers were not allowed to.
No, there's a tender notice.
My lord, there's a tender.
2020, isn't
Yes,
it?
my lord. And this tender was was laid down by the SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle, which was formed by Supreme Court.
Your lordship, if you come to
The court has
paragraph
not
number
understood
5,
the case still
yes,
yet.
if you come to paragraph number 5 or petition, see in paragraph number 5, we are read that the Special Purpose Vehicle Society have published its manual called Manual Special Purpose Vehicle Society, and under the head of the financial regulation at the chapter 2 rule 9, local project implementation committee was also constituted by the village authority.
Now, what is that financial regulation and what is that chapter 2 rule 9?
Chapter 2 to 9. It's
What
we
speaks of?
the if I'm not mistaken, Your Lordship, in our petition also we have annexed the manual.
Where is that? Page?
No, Your Lordship, it's not attached.
Page?
Your Lordship, if you allow, I pray that I will take some proper instruction in this.
You said this not NIT was published by the committee. It is not by the committee. It is by the chief engineer PWD routes.
My lord, so the chief engineer, he is the head of the committee, lord.
It can be, but then he may be head of the committee, but then there is no indication that was issued by the committee. He may be head of the institution, but at the same time he remains the chief engineer of the PWD route, isn't it? There is no indication. And what is the grievance raised here then? This tender notice be set aside. And
To be set aside. And to allow the villagers to participate in the tender and the construction of the...
why this tender, this NIT diverts them from participating?
No, my lord.
So what they want, that it should be confined only to the villagers, not
Yes,
to the
sir.
outsiders.
Yes, lordship.
So say it that way.
My apologies,
See,
lordship.
the impression was created that these villagers were not allowed to take part.
No, my lord. They were allowed to.
But then they want that it should be exclusively to them. This tender should
Yes,
be
my
open.
lord.
Not in that case. It's not that that it will exclusive only with.
Then what do you want? What? See, this is a tender for construction of
Your Lordship,
parking place, isn't it?
we
And
are
road. Oh, and footpath. That is what the NIT says. Now, what problem the Darbar has with that? The village Darbar. If the need not the tender is for the work of construction of a parking place and for footpath and for a footpath, then what problem the Darbar has with that?
see our grievance is that your Lordship, is that in every, according to the manual, is that in every project before we implement in the area, affected area by in this area of the Lafach and Notrai, so the bottom up approach should be the consultation. There's a local implementation committee. They have to consult with SPV, so that whatever that we need to implement the project.
What are those? Where those stipulations are made? That the
There's in the manual itself. It's already.
Now, if this manual is not followed, then what is the consequences? What the action taken will be null and void. See, there are certain parts we do not know. There has to be some grievance with regard to the impugned action. Okay. Now, there may be, the manual may prescribe many things. Now, whether non-adherence to those has caused prejudice to you, or which way it becomes material to you, that you say that there has to be a process of consultation. And all.
Yes.
Now, that was not done.
Not.
Now, the non-adherence to that provision, or whether will make this NIT illegal, until and unless you can show that you see, you have some grievance. Why you say that this NIT is to be interfered?
That is because the manual itself, it's stated.
Consultation is not done. That is okay. But in which way you are aggrieved? Then
we are aggrieved. we have also discussed, we have discussion and before they implement this one divert to the PWD. We have already said that see, we are aggrieved by the diversion, and at the same time also clubbing all the full amount of funds that to implement only forward project. So we have
Now,
requested
is it your case that as per the project, this fund was to be utilized for certain purpose?
yes.
But then by by the decision of diversion, that the very purpose for which the fund was to be utilized could not be utilized. Are you trying to say that?
Yes.
According to you, that this fund should have been utilized for what purpose?
We our grievance is that we have sent many representation to the.
No. According to you, it should be utilized for what purpose? That is what you say. You do not have to say all those things.
We have
You just tell us that the fund, according to you, should have been utilized for what purpose?
we in many project like in the
What
like
are the projects
like
you see?
to uplift the like the sport, school, the
But
education.
then they are doing for this thing, welfare of the thing only. Your parking lot, the footpath, everything is for the village only.
No, Your Lordship, this is not for the parking lot. This is for making the road, for repairing the road, the existing road of PWD. So in the guidelines also, it's not.
Which is we have not understood. I think you yourself you are not very clear about the. You see, what we are trying to gather is that if you say that there is a diversion of fund, then tell us what was the fund, it was meant for which purpose, and how it is diverted. That is what you just show us. And show us that part of the scheme which says that utilization has to be only for the purpose for which, according to you, the fund is allotted. Only that much will do. You do not have to go to all those things. If you are at all aggrieved by the issue of need and the purpose for which this need is used, then you have to show. If you want to say that this construction of parking place and the construction of that raised footpath is not basically for the purpose of the fulfillment of the requirement of those affected areas, then you tell us what.
Your Lordship, in that case, I will take instruction properly. Then I will come.
You have already filed this thing. You have you do one thing. You prepare yourself and then. Yes, Mr. Kharwalang, what is the case about? In short, what is the fund and what is the.
My lord, so basically the SPV had.
What is the scheme? Just tell us. Where is the scheme?
For
and what is the
construction of for
the scheme.
Scheme
under which this amount is sanctioned. Is there any question of sanction of amount here?
My lord, the amount has been as per a tender, lordship.
Just a minute. Just hold on. Let the court read. Court has not got the picture till now.
Annex 2, lordship. And 18.
16 and page 17.
That is the only thing that they want.
Yes, Malala.
They should have a participatory role there.
Yes, my lord. And
Now, wait.
sorry.
Does it mean that to enable the villagers to participate, you have to exclude the others?
My lord,
What is the intent and purpose of the very SPV scheme or whatever you say?
my lord, we have not excluded anyone, anyone, lordship. Anyone,
Kindly understand the thing. Question of the court, reply accordingly. Do not raise your plea here.
lordship.
We are not saying that you raise your plea.
My lord.
What we are saying is what the policy speaks. Was it only for the purpose of the participatory right of the villagers?
No, my lord. For development of the.
So where is that part of the policy? Where do we get it? That special purpose, the society. See, what is SPB funds, and what is it? You have to clarify on NPV. What is NPV?
Lordship, I'll have to seek instruction, but
That is something. I think something. It has to do net something value. You see, this entire thing had happened pursuant to the direction of the Apex Court,
my lord.
wherein that Lafarge Umium Mining was directed to deposit some amount in terms of that judgment, and that amount was to be utilized for the purpose of probably this development of all those affected places.
My lord.
Is it?
My lord.
Whether
My
the
lord,
court has got it
everything-
correctly or not.
My lord. Correct.
And then for the purpose of implementation of that amount,
My
one
lord.
committee was formed, headed by the Chief Secretary. Isn't it?
My lord.
And that amount was to be utilized for the purpose
Of development of that area. Of development
for
of
which
development.
it was deposited, maybe in terms of the Apex Court order or maybe in terms of the scheme. Now, was there any scheme formulated?
My lord, guidelines are there at page number 28 of my.
Who framed the guidelines?
My lord, the guidelines have to seek instructions, my lord, but then.
How many tender notices there? There are two.
There are two.
Both are under challenge.
Yes, under challenge.
Okay.
But my lord, so the tender was upliftment of coming up from the minister meeting dated 28 November 2019, lordship, and annexed 2 of my additional affidavit. So there were different projects which
You
were
are
to be
still
taken.
placing, you see, we have not come to your case till now. We do not want you to place your case right now. We are just
My
trying
lord.
to ascertain the facts.
My lord.
Your contention will come later.
My
After
lord.
we ascertain, we understand the fact.
My lord.
Yes, come prepared with this.
My lord, if I can take your lordship to page number 9 of my additional affidavit. So apart from the tender which was sealed by my learned friend, there are other projects for development of the area, the affected area of Shela, Nongtrai, Lauba. Some of the development programs deals with the health sector, education sector, agriculture, and the one which has been contested right now with regards to general economy, which is for construction of motorable road, rehabilitation of weak pavement, and improvement of MBT Nautrai Shela Road.
You are reading page?
Page number 9, Lordship, Annexure 2 of my additional affidavit. Additional affidavit, Lordship.
That's the minutes of the meeting.
My lord.
Of the executive committee of the
SPV Society.
Yes. What for you are referring this?
My lord, this so the tender which has been challenged by my learned friend right now is also part of this of the tender which works which have been
the subject matter of the tender.
Yes, my lord. The subject matter in this matter would be at Roman number 4 at page number 10. Now, in the in the chart, your lordship would see at serial number 3.
Improvement of including MBT Nongtrai Shala Road.
Yes, my lord. So all these, my lord, all these.
This is one of the.
Yes, my lord. This is the works that has been challenged by my friend.
The tender, so far as the estimation, the tender is concerned, or the value of the work is shown, doesn't cover the entire amount which this Lafarge had deposited, isn't it?
My lord, I have to see instructions. My lord, the Lafarge has deposited a lot of sum of money for development over the years. My lord. So these are just some small projects.
See here,
my lord.
Page 10, that 3. Approved amount is 542.25. What is this?
Approved amount, my lord, I have to see instruction. Approved amount is.
So, everywhere you have to
budget requirement. But then, my lord, the crux of the matter is that so the SPV sits for the with regards to the development of to see what work can be done for improvement of that area.
We understand.
Affected area.
Yeah, no, they are saying their contention is that you have diverted the fund.
No, my lord. So diversion of my lord. So tender has been given by the PWD department, being the expert in those technical areas.
Now, all along, initially you maintained, you said that tender was issued by the committee.
By
now you
my
say
my
it is
lord,
by the,
so
it is
by
by the
committee.
PWD. You cannot change your stand.
My apologies, lordship, but it's by committee.
If the apology will not make
we have
things.
We have sir also sent a representation, two representation regarding this. That in page number 19, annexure 4 and annexure 5, page 21. We have sent a representation before we come to the court, to this honorable court.
Anyway, even the court is still now is not very clear about the yes. Just on prayer made with the parties. Just after vacation.
And
yes.
Well, so if I can show your lordship, the work orders which were given also were given to the most persons.
Since we are not taking up the matter for disposal now,
my lord,
keep it, place it on the next day of hearing.
My lord.
Item number 6.
All of in this matter, the government was quoted in given a direction to the government seeking instruction regarding instruction.
Lordship, as per the order dated 10/10/2025, there was a direction from this honorable court to the state to come with the instruction. There are 3 instructions which the government is required to obtain. First
order
is
dated? Order dated
10/10/2025, 10/10/2025, Your Lordship. With regard to the continuation of the service
just a minute. respond to response. That remains mistake all the way. Yes.
The three instructions with regard to the continuation of the service of the petition beyond 59 days. And number two, the transfer of the petition from the original place of his posting to another place. Then the third instruction is under what circumstances the petition has been reinstated. Yes. So this instruction has been on 10/10/2025. This matter has been conducted by H. Hazarika. So today he is not in a position to come before his personal difficulties. So I don't know whether he has obtained instruction or not. So if this matter may come up after a week, Your Lordship. So
see, after a week there will be no time for the court to pass any orders.
I don't know whether he has received any instruction or not. So if this matter may come up after 1 week, Your Lordship, he can assist the court in a better way, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Since the court has passed this law, this is very important for decision.
So after 1 week means after 1 week Mr. Hazarika will be available.
Yes,
But
because
there is no
he will be the right person to assist this honourable
So
court.
that means he will be available after 1 week. That is what you want to say, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
On prayer made of Mr. H. Hazarika. Learned GA appearing for the state respondent. After 1 week.
2 weeks. No, I think better because 1 week is quite uncertain. He's not well again. He might come and
He's not well or what?
He's not well.
He's not
as
well.
per his inform.
Then it will.
After winter vacation, Your Lordship, then.
Okay, just say it is Mr. Abraham. Learned GA. Appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Hazarika, learned GA. Just say Mr. Abraham, appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, learned GA, appearing for the state respondent. Submits. Where is he? He is here or he is?
He's under.
He's here or he's out of station or he's being treated somewhere or it is not.
Exactly that I'm not too sure about here.
So you do not know whether he
I was just informed that he's sick, sir. He just informed. That's it. I'm not well, but whether he's here or
just cancel. Just say it is submitted that Mr. Hazarika Lanakji, appearing for the state respondent, is not well. Stop. The prayer has been made by Mr. Abraham. Appearing on behalf of the state respondents to adjourn the matter. So, Lord Council appearing for the Mr. Khan, Lord Council appearing for the petition has no objection. Prayer Lord, list of the revision.
Hello, Blue Charles.
Item number 12,